Yo, what's good, people? Producer Mykah here, and today, guys, we're gonna be making a very simple Afrobeat. This is gonna be like the simplest Afrobeat you have ever heard, and we're gonna be doing that with few instruments. So without wasting time, guys, let's go right into our DW. Should I show you guys how you can make the simplest Afrobeat ever? Let's go. First, we're just gonna start with a simple drum bounce, just dragging our tempo to 98 BPM. I'm just gonna go get some nice one shot. Like I said, whenever making beat, it's very important you spend time selecting the right sound, because that's just gonna make your beat sound clean. Rim shots, I love this rim shot. I just want to go with, this normal bounce, and I'm just with the channel rack so you can just see where the notes are gonna be. So I want to go with something like this. So this is the bounce. I've done this vibe a lot that I didn't know where to just place the notes. So I'm just going to increase velocity because I really want the full impact of that read. So we have something like this. I'm just going to put that down here for our first 4 bars. And the next thing, I'm just going to go get a percussion. Let's go with this percussion in something. But I'm just going to put this manually because I want it to have a swing. Yeah, so I have something like that. Yeah, so something like this, just something simple like this. Let me bring down the velocity because I just want it to be. Yeah. So we'll have these. Then the next thing, I'm just going to put in a very nice kick. So let's have this. I just want to have like a steady kick. Yeah, so just. Yeah, come over here, put in our soft clipper. So I'm going to be doing like a reverse engineering, right? I have a bass groove, so I want to be building on that bass groove. And shout out to Beatz, he played an amazing bass groove. So I'm just going to go bring in those bass groove. We have this bass, and this is what the bass sounds like. He actually played different bass grooves. I'm just going to try different ones to see which actually fits. But I think let's see this. So you can see with just the drum and the bass, we already have something nice. Okay, I'll come back to them, but I'll just go with this bass one. Yeah, so let's just drag it to our 8 bar. So we have this already sounding nice. So let me just send the bass to my mixer, send the kick also to the mixer, and just try to sidechain it. I just want to add like R bass to the, yeah, you can see how it has just made the bass round. So in case you want to get some round bass, just try using R bass. It does that well, even without touching anything. But you could actually play the frequency. Yeah, so I can just, then the next thing I can just put in the melody. And for the melody, I want to use Analog Lab. Yeah, I love this preset, like one of my favorite preset on. So let's call this melody. So we can do this. Yeah, so just very simple chord progression, right? This to our mixer. I'm just gonna use my EQ, cut out some of the lows. Yeah, then let's try to add like a very bellish kind of sound, right? Yeah, that. Yeah. Highs. we can add some vocals. So let me go over and look for, yeah, so these vocals was done by Nize. I think I'll go with this. Here, so I like this vocal. Nice. Just sits really well. I'm going to use the yeah, so I'm just like emulating what the bass is playing, right? Yeah, so far so good, and so this sounds nice. So let me try to add like some sax. Okay, doesn't sound bad, but I think let's put this at this point. Then we can add like drum feel. Could decide to play chords here, or could just even yeah, but this is just a quick tutorial. I can just add in some crash. There are some notes in the bass needs to be fixed, but so far so good. We have this for a vibe, and this is a quick one. Hope you got something from this. Let's just listen to the top. Just showing you guys that you don't have to actually do too much to make your beat sound fire. Trust me. Nice, man. This is fire, guys, and I hope you actually got something from this. One key thing you need to know is sound selection. Very, very important. You should spend time selecting the right sound. Everything is just going to fit in. Less work for you, and also less is more. You can get nice sounding bass with few instruments. Just let the voice of the artist really shine. So if you got something from this, if you did, man, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And also, if you want to join the Patreon, the link to join the Patreon is going to be in the description of this video. And on the Patreon, you get amazing stuff, FLPs, sample packs, a lot. So you want to be part of the Patreon, the link is in the description. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.